Converting your Clearwater II D 18 diatomaceous earth filter to a cartridge filter. Remove the lock ring, the lid. It may be necessary to rock the paddles back and forth to get them to loosen from the bottom of the tank. Then use the replacement cartridge. Set it on the dome in the bottom of the tank. The lid will fit into that opening at the top of the replacement cartridge. Reassemble the lid. Tighten down the lock ring. And you've converted your FD18 Clearwater DE filter to a cartridge element. The conversion element is available at waterwayparts.com.